Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to install brushes on Adobe Illustrator using my Brush Bliss pack. So let's dive into it. Once we open the files, you will notice that there are 5 files with different brushes for you to explore with your art style. Now going back to the first file, you will see that there's a layers panel which has the background layer, the brush name layer and the main brushes layer which is unlocked. In order to see the layers panel, simply click on Windows, go to layers and there it is. Now you will see that this structure is on all the 5 files in the same manner so that you can access your brushes with ease. Going back to the first file again, we are going to make sure that we're going to click on the brushes panel on top. Over there on click, you will notice that all the brushes from all the 5 files are available right there. You can scroll down and see the infinite creativity you have access to. Now there is a little bit of a hamburger menu on top. Once you click on that hamburger menu, go to Save Brush Library. Simply save all of this. So I'm going to call this Brush Bliss, but you can call it whatever you like. Once you hit save, your brushes are done and saved. Now let's test it out. So open a new file, go to the brush panel again on the top and select that hamburger. Go to open brush library and user defined. You will find your brush all there. So I'm clicking on the Brush Bliss because that's what I saved my file as. Scroll it down open and all my brushes are there forever. So now all I have to do is select my brush and play around however I would like. So these are just a few tests that I'm doing so that you could see how these brushes pan out once they are saved. You can make lovely squiggles, you can play around with the texture, you can add them to anything that you like. So we even have pattern brushes for you to play, squiggly lines and a lot more. Also experimenting with color. So you could have different colored brushes. You can even play with textures if you like. Now we're going to take the shape and we're going to make a circle. Now on that circle, I'm going to put a little bit of a brush over there and you can see how beautiful it looks. And that's for how to save brushes on Adobe Illustrator. Now let's see it on an actual illustration. So I have this beautiful cat which has a lot of brushes on it. I'm going to simply take my squiggly brush and I'm going to add more layers and more textures and patterns to my cat to make it look ultra neon and galactic. So this is how I'm doing it. With these brushes you could add beautiful textures and a lot of element and vibe and life to your artwork. If you haven't purchased these brushes yet, there's an exclusive discount only for you. Get the full 5 set of brushes for only Rs 555. The link to the brushes is in the description below. So what are you waiting for? Download now.